The rise of IoT-driven manufacturing is reshaping the way industries operate, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation and efficiency. By connecting machines, sensors, and systems, manufacturers can collect and analyze real-time data throughout their production processes. This connectivity enables smarter decision-making, predictive maintenance, and streamlined workflows. Despite these advantages, many engineers still overlook critical IoT applications that could dramatically improve operational performance. Harnessing the full potential of IoT technologies can lead to reduced downtime, optimized resource use, and enhanced product quality. As the manufacturing landscape evolves, understanding and implementing these solutions becomes increasingly essential for staying competitive. Asset monitoring through the Internet of Things leverages connected sensors to provide continuous, real-time insights into machinery, inventory, and production lines. These sensors collect and transmit data on equipment status, location, and performance, enabling businesses to monitor operations remotely. With this enhanced visibility, organizations can quickly identify issues, optimize resource allocation, and reduce downtime. For inventory management, IoT sensors track stock levels and movement, ensuring accurate records and timely replenishment. On production lines, real-time monitoring helps maintain efficiency and quality by detecting bottlenecks or anomalies as they occur. Overall, IoT-driven asset monitoring empowers companies with greater control and informed decision-making across their operations. Predictive maintenance, enabled by the Internet of Things, is transforming how organizations manage their equipment. By collecting real-time data from sensors embedded in machinery, IoT systems can analyze patterns and detect early signs of potential failures. This proactive approach allows companies to address issues before they lead to costly breakdowns, significantly reducing unplanned downtime. Furthermore, data-driven insights help optimize maintenance schedules, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and only when necessary. As a result, businesses can extend the lifespan of their assets and improve overall operational reliability. Predictive maintenance not only enhances productivity but also contributes to safer and more sustainable operations. Energy optimization in manufacturing has been revolutionized by the integration of Internet of Things, or IoT, technologies. Smart devices embedded throughout production lines continuously monitor energy usage, collecting real-time data on equipment performance and environmental conditions. Advanced analytics process this information to pinpoint inefficiencies, such as machinery running idle or excessive power consumption during peak hours. By identifying these patterns, manufacturers can implement automated adjustments, like scheduling equipment downtime or fine-tuning operational parameters. This not only reduces overall energy consumption but also lowers costs and supports sustainability goals. The combination of IoT devices and intelligent analytics creates a dynamic system that responds proactively to changing conditions, ensuring optimal energy use across the facility. In summary, we have explored three often overlooked IoT use cases that hold significant potential for manufacturing: predictive maintenance, energy optimization, and real-time supply chain monitoring. Each of these applications demonstrates how connected devices can drive efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize environmental impact. By integrating IoT solutions into their operations, engineers can unlock new levels of insight and control, paving the way for smarter decision-making. Embracing these technologies not only enhances productivity but also supports a more sustainable future for manufacturing. The possibilities are vast, and the benefits are clear for those willing to innovate.